Yes, good afternoon, dear students. We'll wait for another minute. Let others join. Only 37 students have joined. Shall we start the class?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear today? See, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So today I am dealing with fourth, that is last method of fertility rate. Okay. First one we have seen is crude birth rate. Second is general fertility rate. Third, a specific fertility rate, and fourth one is total fertility rate. Okay, so this is the next version of ASFR. Okay, so the base for total fertility rate is to find ASFR first, then you have to find the total fertility rate. Okay, yesterday's ASFR problems you have solved. Yes, completed the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and
Yes,
homework
ma'am.
same answers you have got. I think question number 4 what I had given, it is death rate. Okay, by mistake it has come, don't solve that. Okay, you have to deal with now only birth rate, not mortality rate. Don't solve that problem. Okay. Okay, so shall we start total fertility rate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see, what is total fertility rate? Total fertility, it is used for comparison of fertility of different population. So this method in this method we can compare the fertility of different population. Okay, comparison is possible in this method. Okay, then what is the definition of total fertility rates here? Total fertility rate of a population in a year is defined as sum total of annual a specific fertility rate. Okay, already you know how to find ASFR, a specific fertility rates here. ASFR, a specific fertility rate. Okay, how to solve a specific fertility rate? Can you tell? Anyone? Yes, anyone? Can you tell how to find ASFR? Now see here, yesterday one problem I'll show last class. So this is a specific fertility rate. Okay, number of live births divided by female population into 100. Like this we have solved. Sir, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so same thing you have to continue in total fertility rate. Okay, then after finding this all individual a specified fertility rate, when you total this, the total of this is called as total fertility rate. Okay, understood? In ASFR I told. So the base to find total fertility rate is ASFR. ओके कळलं ASFR जे सॉल्व करता का नाही त्याचं टोटल केलं तर तुम्हाला टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट मिळते. ओके, So see here, I'll tell. Sum total of annual A specific fertility rate is called as total fertility rate. Sum total म्हणजे ते कॉलमचा टोटल करायचं. कोणत्या कॉलमचा? Which column we have to total to get total fertility rate? Yes, which column?
ASFR.
Student? Yes, the total of A specific fertility rate. Okay, the sum total of annual A specific fertility rate is called as total fertility. For example, see here, total fertility rate. Suppose now A specific, it is related to childbearing age, right? Only childbearing age you have to calculate. What is childbearing age? What is childbearing age?
50 to 49.
15 to 49. Okay.
49.
Okay. For that only we have to calculate ASFR. So see here, ASFR of 15 year, 16 year, 17, 18, 19, 20 असं till 49. ह्याचं जेव्हा टोटल केलं तर आम्हाला काय मिळणार? Total fertility rate. This is an example I told. So what is the formula of total fertility rates here? Okay, his summation of ASFR. Now here I written 15 to 49 means I means the age group. Okay, summation of 15 to 49 ASFR. कळलं? Formula कसं लिहायचं कळलं? Okay, see here you have to write like this. This is summation. Okay, for the age group of, age means I, for the age group of 15 to 49 ASFR. आलं? ह्याचं टोटल. समेशन म्हणजे काय? समेशन म्हणजे काय असते स्टार्ट मध्ये? What summation indicates? Yes, what summation indicates in statistics? Talk. Yes, talk.
Total.
समेशन म्हणजे काय? टोटल हे समेशन म्हणतो. ओके, सो टोटल ऑफ ASFR is called as total fertility rate. Okay, yes. So see here the formula, main formula. Total fertility rate is equal to summation of age group 15 to 49 ASFR, total of ASFR. This is the formula of total fertility rate. Okay, before solving total fertility rate, base is ASFR. First find ASFR, then total of that is total fertility rate. Okay, now one more term I had told you, concunial ASFR. Do you remember? Yes, concunial सांगितले last class मध्ये.
Yes,
ASFR
ma'am.
solve करताना त्याच्या खाली आहे. Yes, then what is concunial ASFR? Can you tell?
Width 5.
5
width.
When you are yes.
Width of
When you are calculating the fertility rate for the class width of 5, okay, it is called as concunial A specific fertility rate. Okay, suppose when concunial age group are given, okay, आता age group concunial है म्हणून समजा. For example, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, these are 5. Okay, that time how to find total fertility rate? 5 असलं तर तेव्हा हे फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचं. ओके, 5 into 5 summation concunial ASFR. ओके, म्हणजे ASFR जे असते त्याला 5 न मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 5 summation ASFR, concunial ASFR. Okay, this I'll tell you while solving the problem, it will come. Okay, 5 summation concunial ASFR. Till you had a doubt, total fertility rate? Yes, कळून घ्या. टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट ASFR पहिला सॉल्व करायचं आणि त्या कॉलमचं टोटल केलं तर तुम्हाला काय मिळणार? टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट मिळणार. तो त्याचं फॉर्म्युला काय होणार? समेशन 15 ते 49 इयर पर्यंत त्याचं ASFR टोटल समेशन ऑफ ASFR. आणि जर क्लास इंटरवलचं विड्थ 5 डिफरन्स असलं तर कॉन्क्युनियल टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट कसं फाइंड करायचं? 5 into summation concunial ASFR. Yes, any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Just a minute. Scale has come. Yes. Shall we go next? Merits and demerits.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see here. What are the
Yes, ma'am.
merits here? Yes. First merit is it is used for comparing the fertility rate of different population. Yes, total fertility rate मध्ये we can compare the fertility rate of different population. हा स्टेट मध्ये किती फर्टिलिटी रेट आहे, हा स्टेट मध्ये किती. सो पॉप्युलेशन वाईज वी कॅन कम्पेअर. सपोज इंडियामध्ये किती बर्थ रेट आहे, ओके, अमेरिकामध्ये किती बर्थ रेट आहे, आम्ही कम्पेअर करू शकतो. फर्टिलिटी म्हणजे काय, बर्थ रेट. आठवण ठेवून घ्या. फर्टिलिटी म्हणजे बर्थ रेट, मॉर्टॅलिटी म्हणजे डेथ रेट. ओके, आता आम्ही सध्या फर्टिलिटी रेट म्हणजे बर्थ रेट चा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह केलो. ओके, so it is used for comparing the fertility rate of different population. Okay, next it gives due weightage to age composition. So here in total fertility rate it gives more weightage. Weightage means importance to age composition. Okay, is it right or no? Because we are solving this ASFR and total fertility rate, okay, for childbearing age, that is 15 to 49. So it gives due weightage to age composition. Third one is it considers only female population of childbearing age. Yes. So this is a merit to total. So it considers only female population. In which, now see, tell me, in which method both male and female population is considered? कोणत्या मेथड मध्ये मेल पॉप्युलेशन आणि फिमेल पॉप्युलेशन कन्सिडर करतात?
Crude birth rate.
Okay. Okay. Then other rest all from general fertility rate, ASFR and total fertility rate. So here only female population of childbearing age is considered. Okay. So this one is merit to it. Okay. So first one is it is used for comparing the fertility rate of different population. Second, it gives due weightage to due age composition. And third one, it considers only female population of childbearing. So these are the merits of total fertility rate. Okay. Then next, demerits. So what are the demerits? We'll see. Demerits are, it does not indicate the rate of growth of population due to birth. Okay. So population चं किती ग्रोथ व्हायलंय ते आम्ही इंडिकेट करू शकत नाही, एस्टिमेट करू शकत नाही. Okay. So in total fertility rate, it does not indicate the rate of growth of population due to birth. Okay. And second one is what? It is based on assumption that all women survive throughout the childbearing age. So ह्यात काय कन्सिडर केल्या, सगळे वुमन ते चाइल्डबेरिंग एज मध्ये जिवंत राहतात, सर्वाइव थ्रूआउट द चाइल्डबेरिंग एज, that is 15 to 49. Okay, so हे consider, so demerit, so some women can they die in that middle age. Okay, so it is based on the assumption that all women survive throughout the childbearing age. Suppose a woman is there, okay, 25 years old, okay, then she is pregnant, okay, she may survive or she may die. Okay, after that, so it is not considered here. So it is based on the assumption that all women survive throughout the childbearing age. So this is not considered in all the methods only. Okay, so this is the demerits of total fertility. Any doubts? Theory मध्ये काय doubt आहे?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Boys? No
No,
boys?
ma'am.
No boys?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall we solve problems? Very easy again. Mute. Very easy problems are there. Okay. कळलं, हा chapter 30 to
Yes, ma'am.
35 marks ओके. आता फर्टिलिटी कळलंय म्हणजे तुम्हाला मॉर्टॅलिटी एकदम सोपं जाणार. ओके, सेम आहे. तिथं बर्थ रेट येते, तिकडे डेथ रेट येते. ओके, शॅल वी गो? येस,
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here is our first problem. Is it visible?
Yes,
Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today it is okay. Read the problem. I'll zoom it. See, I'll read. The concunial age specific fertility rate. Now here, what word is here? Concunial age specific fertility rate. So you have to apply that second formula. Which one? This one. 5 summation concunial ASFR. कळालं? सो तिथे मेन्शन केलं ते कॉन्क्युनियल आहे म्हणजे विड्थ त्यांचं 5 आहे. सो सेकंड फॉर्म्युला यू हॅव टू यूज. The concunial age specific fertility rate ASFR for women of childbearing age group of community R. ओके, सो त्यांचे ASFR बघा डायरेक्ट दिलाय. सो लास्ट कॉलम जे आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करतो इथं डायरेक्ट दिलाय 25, 60, 70, 40, 20, 12 and 5. So you have to compute total fertility rate. Okay, so what is the formula? Can you tell? TFR, total fertility rate is equal to, yes, concunial आहे म्हणजे काय फॉर्म्युला?
5 summation concunial ASFR.
Yes, concunial ASFR. S apostrophe S लिहिले का म्हणजे एकच नाही आहे. ओके, येस, 5 into concunial ASFR. आता हे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहितो 25 याचं टोटल 25, 60 प्लस 70 प्लस 40 प्लस 20 प्लस 12 प्लस 5. येस, यू टोटल करून सांगा त्याचं. Hmm. 25 plus 60
32.
plus 70. How much?
232.
32. Very good. Okay. Now multiply with 5. 232 into 5.
1160.
Yes. What is this? Total fertility rate. Okay. Easy. Kala?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Concunial, they use this word. Okay. Then second, same it is C like that only. Okay, I'll read the problem. The concunial age specific fertility rate for women of childbearing age group of a community are 25, 114, 150, 110, 80, 30 and 4. Compute total fertility rate. Yes, TFR is equal to formula 5 into summation concunial ASFRs. Yes, so 5 into in bracket 25 plus 114 plus 150 plus 110 plus 80 plus 30 plus 4 is equal to, yes, total it
513.
500. Yes, 513. Yes, multiply 513 into 5.
2565.
2565. Yes. Okay. Here also you can write. Okay. Suppose here 2565 is 2565 per 1,000 women. Why you have to write per 1,000 women? Can anyone tell? पहिलाच crude birth rate ला individual. Okay. Now why we are writing woman? Can you tell? आम्ही woman ला का लिहिलो? Crude birth rate मध्ये per 1,000 individuals. हा. Why? हा. Then why here we are writing per 1000 women? Here also and in ASFR also we write women only.
Considered only women.
Yes. Yes, very good. Because in crude birth rate, male population and female population was considered. So we have written there per 1000 individuals. Okay. Whereas in ASFR, total fertility rate, here only woman population is considered. So write per 1000 women. Okay. Here also you write per 1000 women. Okay. Understood this small problem both? See, both problems you understood?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, these are all 2 marks problem. Okay, it is 2 mark problem. They may ask like this. Next, 5 mark problems here. I made the columns. So till here, this is your problem. For my convenient, now only I made a extra column for solution. This is solution part. Okay. Shall we start?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, see. Calculate total fertility rate for the following data. Okay. Also, again, what we have to calculate? Also, calculate the average number of children born to women of childbearing age. So, how to calculate? I'll tell you total fertility rate. Next time, for 1000 women, okay, for women, how many children are born? We have to calculate. Okay, for one woman, what is the average number of children born? Okay, either it can be 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, it can be come in point also because this is a problem. Okay, so one woman, either it can be 1 child, 2 child, 3 child, 4 child like this. Okay, they are told also calculate the average number of children born to a woman for childbearing age. Okay, understood the problem? First, they are told to calculate total fertility rate. Second point is they have told for one woman how many children is born on an average. Okay, how to calculate C. So this is the problem. What is given? See here. Age group is given. The childbearing age only it is 15 to 49. Okay. Then female population is given. Okay. If male population is given, then you have to ignore. Only we need female population. Then number of live births is given. Okay, what is the first step? Can you tell? First step is a solution. What is the first step? Step 1. First find.
ASFR.
Yes. First we have to find ASFR. Okay. For that you write here one sample you have to show to get full marks. एक sample solve करून दाखवायचं. Okay. First one. Find ASFR. Okay. Yes. Tell me the formula of ASFR. Formula. Number of
Live births in a specific age group in a year. Total number of female in that population age group in a year.
number of live births in specified age group in a year divided by total number of females, or you can write women also, one and the same, in that particular age group in a year into 1000. Okay, take first group. What is the first group? 15 to 19. Now we are finding ASFR for one group 15 to 19. Okay, number of live birth 60 and female population is 1000. Remember this. So number of live birth is 60 and female population of that specified age is 1000 into 1000. Yes, can you tell answer? 1000 1000 answer.
60.
So ASFR for the age
60.
yes.
60.
Yes, 60. Okay, so can I write here 60? Now you have to tell me. Okay, One sample I have solved. Now see second one. Tell second one. 200 divided by 2,500 into 1,000. It can be come in point in. Okay. हा problem मध्ये point मध्ये येणार. Yes. 80 means 80.00.
80.
Yes. Third one. 390 divided by 3,000 into 1,000.
130.
130.
1,000. 130 only. Okay. 130.00. Okay. Next. Fourth. For the age group of 30 to 34, 110 divided by 2,200 into 1,000. Okay, 1,000 multiplied by 1,000 multiplied by
50.
yes, 50. Yes. Next, for the age group of 35 to 39, 50 divided by 800. किती होता है?
62.5.
62.50. Okay. So that's why I written here. Yes. Next year, 10 divided by 400 into
25.
1,000.
25.
Last one sanga. 0 divided by 200 into 1,000.
0.
0.
Yes. Now total kara columns are visible. No? 60 plus 80 plus 130 plus 50 plus 62.5 plus 25 total.
100.
Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ?
250.
See 200 how? Here only see 130, 80, 60.
407. 407.
Exactly 407.
Yes.
0.5
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Jola?
Yes, ma'am. No point.
0.5.
Why? 0.5 here, see only 0.5 is there now. 62.5 it is. So what will be the total? 407.5? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So you know the total. Kitty total hai 407.5. Okay. Now I'll write here only see total fertility rate is equal to हे प्रॉब्लेम हे यूज करायचं का म्हणजे हे किती एज ग्रुप किती आहे ते विड्थ किती आहे सगळ्याचं
5.
yes how much is the width 5 so it is
4.
5 so this is 4 आहे का कोण सांगितलं 4 असं नाही करायचं 49 आणि 45 49 minus 45 45 46 47 48 49 पाच आहेत 15 16 17 18 19
Yes,
पाच
ma'am.
आहेत की नाही आहे okay
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now see here
Yes, ma'am.
total fertility rate yes so this formula you have to apply which one concunial so 5 into concunial QUINQUENNIAL concunial ASFR yes 5 into what is concunial ASFR किती आहे हे concunial ASFR
407.5.
7.5 multiply that with 5 you'll get total fertility rate
2037.5.
2037.5.
2037.5 okay understood total fertility rate
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2037.5 now see here
Yes, ma'am.
calculate total fertility rate for the following data इथपर्यंत आम्ही हे केलो right till here then what they are told also calculate the average number of children born to woman एक बाईला किती बाळ होऊ शकते असं calculate करायचं on an average okay so that how to solve see here just a minute so for that what is the formula see average number of children for per woman कसं solve करायचं म्हणजे see formula average number of
Yeah.
children per woman is equal to total fertility rate divided by 1000. Why we have to divide by 1000? Because so total, whether it is crude birth rate, gender fertility rate, any fertility rate, okay, so we are calculating this fertility rate for 1000 population. So that's why, so if you divide by 1000 total fertility rate, you will get one woman how many children is born. Kala? Total fertility divided by 1000. Okay? किती आहे टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट? TFR आता सॉल्व केले
237.5.
2037.5 divide by 1000. आता what is the answer?
2.037.
2.037 means on an average.
2.0375.
Yes, what is this 2.037? कौन सांगू शकते? What is this 2.037?
2 women are
2 women sir. Yes, म्हणजे
average number of
2.037
average number of child born per woman.
children per woman. Yes, means on an average एक woman ला 2 children होऊ शकतात. 0.37 हे काय कन्सिडर करायचं नाही, त्याचा प्रॉब्लेम. On an average 2. Okay, for one woman 2 children based on this fertility rate we have told them. Okay, understood this problem?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
step, calculate ASFR. Okay, first one sample you show them ASFR. ASFR चे एक sample दाखवा, मग इथंच continue करा. It's a total, and if it is concunnial, multiply this with 5. Okay, so total fertility rate is 5 into concunnial ASFR, it is 2037. आता जे total fertility rate आलेलं असेल ते divide by 1000 केलं तर average number of children born per woman मिळते तुम्हाला. Okay, 2.037. Easy? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we solve like this one problem? See another problem I have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, another problem. You have to tell me now. Yes. Now here, from the following data, calculate total fertility rate. Nusa total fertility rate विचारलं. Okay, first step is to find ASFR. Yes. Yes. Calculate ASFR. Formula right? ASFR. Number of live births in a specified age group. In a year divided by total number of females in that particular age group. In a year into 1000. Okay. Tell me number of live birth in a specified, first one 15 to 19, 1000 is there, so live birth is 1000 and female population is 50,000. Calculate first one.
20. 20.00.
20. Yes, 20.00. Here I'll let 20. So first one 20. Second one 7,000 divided by
116.5.
116.6, right? Okay, next 8,000 divided by 45,000 into 1,000.
177.77.
177.77.
177.77. Yes, very good. Next, 5,000 divided by 40,000 into 1,000.
155.
125.
125.
125.
Yes,
120.
125.00. Okay, next one. 900 divided by 30,000 into
30.
30. Yes, okay.
30.
Then 100 divided by 25,000 into 1,000. 1,000.
4. 4.
4. Yes. Next one. 50
Four.
divided by 20,000 into 1,000.
2.50.
2.5.
2.50.
Okay. Okay. Now thing is you have to total. Total kara. Total this column.
475.93.
475.93. Everyone got same? Salena?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
answers? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now total fertility rate. Yes. Formula. Total fertility rate. Okay. Right heading. Total fertility rate. Total fertility rate is equal to 5 summation. 5 summation. Yes.
Continual ASFR.
Concunial ASFRs. Yes. So 5 into kitty. What is concunial ASFR? How much it is? 5 into 475.93.
93.
475.93. Multiply with this 5.
2,379.75.
379.65. Okay. So you can write per 1,000 individuals or per 1,000 women. Okay. आता हात per woman average विचारलेले per children born to woman. So suppose विचारलं तर किती होते आन्सर? तेव्हा काय लिहायचं? फॉर्म्युला average number of children per woman is equal to total fertility rate divided by 1,000. ओके. पर वुमन ला काय तर फाइंड करायचं विचारलं तर डिवाइड बाय 1,000 करायचं. सो ह्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये सपोज विचारलं तर आन्सर किती येणार याचा?
2.3796.
Yes, 2.37965. Okay, means for one woman on an average 2 children are born. Okay, कळालं टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट? इझी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके. थिंग इज बाहेर द फॉर्म्युला. ओके, हे फॉर्म्युला यायला पाहिजे तुम्हाला. हे फॉर्म्युला आला तर ह्याचं मिनिंग पण कळते तुम्हाला. ओके. सो सी टुडे व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन क्रूड बर्थ रेट, टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट, जनरल फर्टिलिटी रेट अँड ASFR. ओके, फॉर्म्युला सगळं परफेक्ट करून एक पेजवर लिहा. ओके, क्लियर? एनी
Yes,
डाउट?
ma'am.
So we have completed all the fertility rates. How many fertility rates are there? How many fertility rates are there?
4.
4. Which are those? Which are those?
Crude birth.
Crude birth
birth
rate, general fertility rate,
Second,
age specific fertility rate.
Yes, sir. Total fertility rate.
Total fertility rate.
Okay. Next question. What is childbearing age of a woman? सांगा.
50 to 49.
49.
15 म्हणा. 15 to 49. Then tell me what is demography? डेमोग्राफी म्हणजे काय? फर्स्ट क्लासला सांगितलंय. इन जनरल तुम्हाला सांगितलंय डेमोग्राफी
Statistical
म्हणजे
study of human
Study
population.
of women population.
कुठला ह्युमन डब्ल्यू काय एच
H.
H.
हा नाही तो वुमन म्हणशील ह्युमन HUMAN ओके देन मेन्शन द सोर्सेस ऑफ व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आता हे व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स म्हणजे पॉप्युलेशन रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन आम्हाला कुठं मिळणार सो त्याला काय म्हणतो सोर्सेस कुठून मिळणार आम्हाला कुठं मिळते
Birth, death.
हा बर्थ डेट हे कुठं मिळणार तुम्हाला इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स
Vital event.
व्हायटल इव्हेंट काय ते नव आता समज आता तुमच्या गावात एवढं जन्म झाले एवढं मरण झाले हे तुम्हाला इन्फॉर्मेशन कुठं मिळणार
Municipalities, Gram Panchayat.
हा
Municipalities, Gram Panchayat.
सोर्सेस ऑफ व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आर म्युन्सिपालिटीज आणि ग्रामपंचायत
Corporation offices.
येस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफिसेस कळालं इथं मिळणार आम्हाला हे ह्याला काय म्हणतो सोर्सेस
ma'am.
ऑफ व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स ओके देन फर्टिलिटी म्हणजे काय सांगा फर्टिलिटी आता फर्टिलिटी रेट सांगितलं फर्टिलिटी म्हणजे काय
Birth rate.
हा फर्टिलिटी रेफर्स टू बर्थ ऑकरिंग टू वुमन ऑफ चाइल्ड बेरिंग
Woman
Age.
childbearing age.
Age.
ओके हे एक विचारतात आणि जनरली द चाइल्ड बेरिंग एज इज 15 to 49 आठवण ठेवून घ्या अनेक विचारतात मॅक्झिमम सगळ्या क्वेश्चन पेपर विचारतात व्हॉट इज फेकंडिटी FECUNDITY फेकंडिटी म्हणजे काय
Capacity of woman bear child.
Capacity of a woman bearing.
capacity of woman to bear a child okay then आणि क्वेश्चन काय विचारू शकतात मेरिट्स डिमेरिट्स कळून घ्या ते आणि फॉर्म्युला त्याचं देन सेकंड 2 मार्क्स किंवा 1 मार्कला हे एक सारखं विचारतात मेन्शन द युजेस ऑफ व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्सचे युजेस मी 5 ते 6 पॉईंट सांगितले त्यातलं आठवण ठेवून घ्या ओके इट इज युजफुल फॉर गव्हर्नमेंट एजन्सीज इट इज युजफुल इन रिसर्च ओके देन इट इज ग्रेट यूज ऑफ प्लॅनिंग असं लिहू शकता तुम्ही ओके कळालं कुठं कुठे यूज होत्या ते देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हॉट आर द मेथड्स ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग व्हायटल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स कुठलं मेथड आहेत सांगा किती मेथड आहेत 2 मेथड आहेत कोणतं which are the methods
Registration
of
method.
vital statistics
Registration method
census
and
enumeration
census enumeration method.
Census enumeration method.
registration method and
Census
Census
enumeration
enumeration method.
okay
Census enumeration
yes
method.
registration म्हणजे their registration is made either it is birth marriage death okay they are recorded and who are recorded government authorities like gram panchayat municipalities and corporation offices okay
Operation of it.
then in how many years census enumeration method is conducted
10 years.
How
Once
many
in
years?
every year.
10 years.
once in every year प्रत्येक
Once
वर्षाला
in 10 years.
Once in every 10 years.
हा 10
Once in every
10
10
years ला okay very good then next question is measurement of population फॉर्म्युला करून घ्या ते 2 मार्क्स विचारतात ओके P0 plus B minus D plus I minus E immigrants आणि immigrants ते फॉर्म्युला ओके
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
now you are feeling easy or difficult in start
Easy.
Easy.
yes now tomorrow also because yesterday I was unable to take class because of some work tomorrow one more class I'll take of this week so weekly 4 classes right so I'll inform after all the classes I will conduct your class okay suppose 2 to 3 one class is there I'll conduct at 3 to 4 okay so tomorrow I'll take combined problem last day of fertility combined problem म्हणजे general fertility rate ASFR okay or total fertility general fertility असं विचारतात 5 मार्क okay last day then next class I'll start with reproduction rates okay that is important reproduction rate 5 marks it can be 10 marks also okay very soon we are going to complete this chapter remember Okay. After completing, I'll give some questions you have to solve. Previous last backside questions I'm giving for homework. Okay. Today also I'll give one or another homework. Okay. After completing full chapter, one more exercise problems I'll give you have to solve. Thing in statistics. In statistics, practice is more important. Okay. Practice
ma'am.
केलं तर काही problem होणार. Okay. So that's all for today's class. You can leave the class. Okay. Complete the notes. I'll give the problem for homework. Okay. Can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, send it PDF.
Yes, I'll send now. Last